Did you know some houseplants can help you sleep better, feel calmer, and even boost focus without pills or gadgets? And no, plants don't magically cure diseases. But the right ones can support your wellness in simple, everyday ways. Hey friends, I'm glad you're here. Today we're talking about 12 indoor plants that can support healing and wellness at home. I'll keep it practical. I'll keep it honest. And I'll tell you how to actually grow them without stress. Let's get into it. 1. Snake plant. This plant is tough as nails. It survives low light and mist waterings. Snake plants release oxygen at night, which may help create a fresher bedroom environment. They also help with humidity balance. Less dry air means happier sinuses and skin. Keep one near your bed and forget about it for a week or two. It prefers that. 2. Aloe Vera. Aloe is a classic healing plant for a reason. The gel inside the leaves can soothe minor burns and skin irritation. It's also great for beginners. Bright light. Water only when the soil is fully dry. Fun fact, aloe stores water in its leaves, so overwatering is the fastest way to kill it. 3. Peace lily. Peace lily are known for their calming presence. They slightly increase indoor humidity, which helps dry throats and noses. They also signal stress fast. If the leaves droop, it's thirsty. Water it, and it perks right back up. That simple feedback makes it great for new plant parents. 4. Lavender. Lavender is famous for relaxation and sleep support. The scent can help reduce stress and anxiety for many people. Use an indoor-friendly variety and give it bright light. Good airflow is important. Water lightly. And yes, gently rubbing the leaves releases that calming smell. 5. Spider plant. This plant is friendly, fast-growing, and forgiving. Spider plants help improve indoor air moisture and overall comfort. They're also non-toxic to pets. That's a big win. They produce baby plants you can share. Giving plants away is good for mental health too. 6. Rosemary. Rosemary isn't just for cooking. Studies link its scent to better focus and memory. Keep it near your desk or kitchen window. It loves bright light and dry soil between watering. Touch the leaves while studying or working. That aroma wakes the brain up. 7. English ivy. English ivy can help reduce mold spores in indoor air over time. That can be helpful for people sensitive to allergies. It likes bright, indirect light. Keep the soil slightly moist. Trim it regularly to keep it healthy and tidy. 8. Jasmine. Jasmine scent is linked to better sleep quality and relaxation. It's gentle but noticeable. Place it in a bright room and water consistently. Many people notice improved mood when jasmine is blooming. It's a quiet plant with a strong emotional effect. 9. Rubber plant. Rubber plants have large, glossy leaves. Those leaves help trap dust, improving indoor comfort. They're also great at stabilizing humidity. Wipe the leaves once a month. Clean leaves mean better plant health and cleaner air around you. 10. Chamomile. Chamomile isn't just tea. Growing it indoors adds a calming presence. The smell alone feels relaxing. It needs bright light and light watering. Harvest flowers once they open fully. Dry them for tea or simply enjoy the plant as is. 11. Erica palm. This palm is a natural humidifier. It's great for dry climates and winter months. Better humidity supports breathing and skin comfort. It prefers bright, indirect light. Water when the topsoil feels dry. It also makes any room feel calmer and more alive. 12. Pothos. Pothos is nearly impossible to kill. It tolerates low light and mist watering. It helps reduce indoor dryness and improves mood through greenery exposure. Let it trail or climb. Seeing living growth every day supports mental wellness more than most people realize. Extra tips. Plants support wellness, but they don't replace medical care. Consistent care matters more than rare, perfect care. One healthy plant is better than 5 struggling ones. Clean leaves help plants work better. Start small and grow your collection slowly. If you enjoyed this, give the video a like. It helps more people find healthy plant content. Subscribe for more simple, honest gardening tips, and comment below. Which plant do you already have, or which one are you adding next? Thanks for watching. Take care of your plants, and let them take care of you.